Hi everyone, we are now into the month of August and let's see what does August have in store for you if you come under the zodiac sign of Gemini. Now for you Gemini, again this is a very mixed month for you. So you may feel the month starting on a slow, non-productive note, but yes, the second half of the month pulls up a lot of benefit and a lot of gain in your favor. Now, your word of precaution for this month is on the career and the business front. It is very important that you stay a lot of calm and you stay very collective this month, okay? Because it does look like on the career front you will have a lot of resentment, a lot of controversy, some jealousy coming from your colleagues and from your working circle. It even looks like you have some arguments and some heated discussions happening with your seniors and with your bosses. So it's important that you focus on your calm this month. Even from the business perspective, you may have some business dealings or discussions which start going into heated arguments. You may have some misunderstandings happening. So when you feel such things are happening, I would say rather postpone such meetings, postpone such dealings till a later date. So from the business and from the career, it's very important to stay collective and do a lot more planning this month. Keep your calm. Also from the finances bit, your finances are good, it is stable, okay? And towards the end of the month, yes, your profit, your gains and everything that was due to you will start working in your favor. But just keep the focus going and things are unfolding for you. Yes, from the health perspective, this month also it is very important that you take care of your health, because we do see that people are having a lot of uneasiness, which is even important. Like let's say it plays into your blood pressure issues. So anyone having high BP, anyone having blood pressure issues, it's something for you to take care of this month and focus on this month. Even people which have heart related diseases, heart related issues, it is a month for you to focus on that as well and get your regular checkups done. Do not neglect your health this month. You definitely have a breather this month when it comes to your relationships and your family front. So your family is very supportive. You have a lot more planning and a lot more peace happening on the family front, and your family comes forward to support you. Now, from the family and the relationship perspective, this month is very auspicious for you, Geminis. So, when you're planning this month any kind of weddings, any engagements this month for you, Geminis, definitely take that into your stride. Put the focus out there, and that's your happiness zone. So, when you're feeling upset, when you're feeling very resented this month, focus on the happiness bit, focus on your relationships, and do your family plannings, do your relationship plannings, focus on the marriage bit, and bring out the happy strike when it comes for the family front. Besides that, yes, for a remedy for you this month, you can do some donations of coconut and water. You can donate them in holy places. So if you're having any family get-togethers, go ahead and donate that. Add a lot more even water and salads into your diets. Okay, take some calm, take some time out even to spend in nature. And if you're feeling upset, just take a breather. I'm Sharon S. Monija. Thank you so much for being a part of my family. And if you're new to my family, do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's stay connected for so much more in store.